Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a calendar to Framer. In this walkthrough, we'll connect a Google Calendar to a Framer project using an embed, so you can display events directly on your page. You'll need a Framer project open and access to the Google Calendar you want to show. Start in your Framer project. Open the canvas where you want the calendar to appear. Look to the top toolbar and click Insert to open the component library. In the library, hover over the Utility section to reveal more options. Find the embed component, then drag and drop it onto your layout. If you're placing it inside a form or a specific section, drop it right where you want the calendar to live. Resize the embed frame so it has enough space. Calendars typically need a generous area to display dates clearly. You can always fine-tune sizing later. Now switch to Google Calendar in your browser. In the left sidebar, locate the calendar you want to embed. Hover your mouse over its name to reveal the three-dot menu. Click that menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the calendar's detailed settings. Scroll down until you find the area that contains the embed information, often labeled Embed Code or Integrate Calendar. You should see an iframe snippet that Google provides. Select and copy that embed code. This code safely references your calendar without exposing your account credentials. Return to Framer. On the canvas, double-click the embed layer you added to open its configuration panel. You'll see an option to input a URL or switch to HTML. Choose the HTML option so you can paste raw code. Paste the iframe embed code you copied from Google Calendar into the field. The calendar should load right inside the embed component on your canvas. If the calendar doesn't appear, check two things. First, that you pasted the entire iframe. Second, that the calendar's sharing settings allow it to be embedded. Depending on your preferences, you may show full event details or limit visibility. Adjust those in Google Calendar settings. Back in Framer, feel free to resize the embed frame or tweak the width and height values inside the iframe code to fit your design. For responsive layouts, ensure the frame is set to fill or scale appropriately within your section. That's it. You've added a live Google Calendar to your Framer project. Preview your page to confirm everything looks good, and you're ready to share a clear, up-to-date schedule with your audience.